Hi, I'm Noel Giamello with Sharp Microelectronics, and I'm here today to talk about LED lighting. It seems to be the hot new trend, especially for display backlighting. Our customers require things like longer life, more robust design, simpler circuitry, less noise. LEDs provide these things. In fact, they provide up to 50,000 hours life. They're more robust over temperature. Unlike their counterparts, CCFTs, they don't degrade so easily over the lower temperature range. LED backlighting requires a very simple DC drive circuitry, which produces less noise. And in addition to that, they're friendly for the environment. But really, what does the change from CCFT to LED really require? We're going to take a look at that in our lab with our expert, Todd Stonewall. LED technology provides quite an advantage for people who are designing with displays. Can you give us some idea of what that's all about?
You bet. First let's look at a CCFT. This is basically a fluorescent tube, same that's in the overhead lighting. A very long, thin piece of glass.
So this is the type of backlight that's used in a display commonly today?
Yeah. It is unfortunately very fragile. It has mercury vapor in it, so if it breaks, and more importantly, when you dispose of these things, you have to be very careful and follow all your local ordinances. This is potentially hazardous substance.
Oh, okay.
When you go to LED, you no longer have the glass tubes. It's just solid-state devices all the way down.
No hazardous substances?
None whatsoever. Much simpler design, much stronger design. Your shock and vibrations are just no longer an issue.
It looks a lot thinner than the other design, too.
Yeah, it's much thinner. For example, this is our typical 7-inch LCD with a fluorescent tube. If you compare that to a 7-inch LED display, you can see it's much thinner.
There's quite a difference. It looks like it's almost half or maybe even more.
Yeah, it's probably less than half. If you're designing a mobile device, this is where you want to go. It's lighter, it's thinner, it's less shielding, much better way to go. It's also lower power. So you get better battery life.
That's good stuff. What about driving the two? Is there much difference?
Yes, and a big difference. CCFTs require about 600 to 900 volts AC. So to do that, you need a specialized driving circuit with a step-up transformer.
Wow.
This is expensive. It generates a lot of electrical noise, so it has to be shielded electrically. Physically, it has to be shielded for safety, prevent arcing. It can be really difficult to design with these. LEDs run off a simple DC voltage. This is a driver that runs about 30 volts DC.
That's quite a difference.
It's huge. It just generates a single constant current. So if you want to dim it, you can pulse width modulate it or actually just reduce the dimming. Very simple to dim, very easy to implement.
So the average customer can use one of these in an existing panel. He can make a thinner product, a lighter product. Probably be more resistant to drop.
It'd be a much more durable, much more efficient product.
The noise is less, so I can use less of my shielding, maybe, and a better product design. And it's environmentally friendly.
Absolutely.
That sounds like quite a story. Thank you, Todd.
Right,
Appreciate your time. Some of these panels will also have touchscreen technology. Now, for technical resources or information that you require for your designs, please visit our website, which is sharpledlcd.com. This website will have things like videos, podcasts, application notes, and other technical resources to aid you in your designs. We try to provide increased flexibility and support and technical resource that's sharp. Thank you so much for your time. Have a great day.